Hi, unexpected dumpster dive video today. So I was throwing the trash and I noticed in the dumpster some clear plastic bags with wires inside. So here is what I got. One VGA cable. I am unzooming because it will be necessary. One more VGA cable. One VGA cable. You can see they are all new in the original wrappers. One VGA cable. One VGA cable. It is good because I was a little bit short on VGA cables. So now it is all fine. One DVI cable. One more DVI cable. Jack to jack audio cable. One more VGA cable. Then what else? Guess what? No, DVI. Again DVI cable. Will you guess what is the next? Jack cable. Jack cable. Jack cable. DVI cable. And two jack cables. So it is fine because you always need cables. They are new. They came all the way from China. They were manufactured, shipped, and ending in the trash without even being unwrapped. It is such a waste. This planet is going to hell if we continue to waste the resources like this. And you can trust me, it is making quite a lot of weight, all this together. Also, so it is pretty good. Also, I noticed this light fixture. It is a cheaper one, but I was interested in salvaging the wires maybe, and with this box, in which we will have a look right now. So it says it is an electronic transformer made by the Changyu Bright Lighting Electric Appliance Company, probably made in China. So we have a secondary side at 5 amps, 12 volts AC, and in fact it is quite strange inside because it is partly like a switching power supply, but not completely. You can see we have a main input, we have a filter capacitor, we have a fuse, we have a bridge rectifier here under the capacitor. We are missing the big electrolytic capacitors on the primary side. We are missing the control IC for switching power supplies. We are missing the optocoupler for the feedback. But we have what seems to be two control transistors. We have one weird like a three-phase signal transformer on a little toroid. We have what seems to be, maybe I can lift, yes. No, it is just filters, and the output transformer is some kind of toroidal transformer with, you can see, very few turns on the secondary side. On the secondary side is directly connected to the three. They are incandescent bulbs, so they are not LEDs, so there is not. It is not a current regulated power supply, obviously. But it is a weird setup, in fact. So yes, the output is insulated from the mains, as we have this transformer. But you can notice this wiring here is very near the primary wires. I guess we have quite a few turns inside here, and a very little number of turns on the secondary. In fact 12 turns, something like this. The two transistors are where there is some kind of a Chinese character, and it is written 13005 little 2, and here the same 13005 little 2. Really weird. The solders are not too bad. It looks like it is lead. Yes, it is not lead free solder. So it is obviously not very recent. It is not written ROHS, by the way. And on the cover we just have do not throw in the bin, which was not respected. So this piece is working. There is one blown bulb, but this piece is working, so I may keep this for something. Not sure yet what I will do with this. And it is fun to notice there is provision for screws for the cover, but they did not populate the screws. And they did only do one hole, while we have the other hole pattern here on the matching receiving piece for the screw. Really weird stuff. So I will scrap this. It is not coming back in place, of course. Oh, I did this one because they put two outputs for the wire in the base, but not in the cover. And it is quite a spectacular, this thing. Really, it must be really cheap Chinese thing. The case is aluminium, so I will scrap the aluminium. This is worthless, but there is this round piece of glass which can always be useful for something, so I will keep this. Here we have old school incandescent bulbs which are not useful anymore. They eat really a lot, and it is a pure waste of power. Okay, but there is also a nice wire junction here I can save. But of course the main piece is this insanely huge pile of new computer wires, which I was not expected. And it is always good to find, because such a cable, if you have to go in a store here to get a cable like this, it is at least €5, I guess, maybe more. You can get them cheaper on the web, of course, but in stores it is always expensive, and usually when you need this, you need it right now, not in 3 weeks. Okay, thanks for watching, bye bye.